Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. In today's video, I'm going to do a super cute Valentine's Day haul featuring items that I purchased on super clearance at Ross, TJ Maxx, and the thrift store. So the outfits that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today are a range from casual to just kind of more relaxing, all the way up to like a formal style dinner date. So I hope you guys enjoy this. And one of the reasons why I went shopping for Valentine's Day is something that I never do, but I am going to be ticking off one of the things on my bucket list, and that is to work in an actual florist during the Valentine's Day holiday. So I want to make sure that I was kind of, all dressed and festive while I was working in the florist. So I hope to carry you guys along with me on that journey. Let me know if you would be interested in it. I know it's going to be hectic, crazy, and insane, but it's always something that I wanted to do. So I want you guys to help me pick out my outfit for the 3 days that I'll be working. I'll be sharing 5 outfits with you guys. So let's get started with outfit number 1. Okay, so the first outfit is this gray tracksuit. It is super comfortable. I got it from TJ Maxx. It was $18 for the entire outfit. Pants were $10, shirt was $8. I love the bling down the side. It can be dressed up or dressed down easily. You can pair it with a pair of stilettos, or you can pair it with some tennis shoes or boots or something that you're more comfortable with, but definitely something you can wear out to like lunch or something like that on Valentine's. So I love it. Let's move on to outfit number 2. The next outfit is keeping in with the same theme, and that is in the black and gold velour. It also has the sequins down the side. You guys know there. I absolutely love the velour. Again, this can be dressed up or dressed down. I chose to dress this one up with a pair of heels to give you guys some options. Definitely something that you can get comfortable in, something that would grow with you throughout the night if you enjoy eating, and just something that would look very festive and very cute, but not fun, but just a little bit. You know what we mean. Next up is this gorgeous blazer that I got from TJ Maxx. It was also $18. The original price on it was $138. It's by Tahari, and I absolutely love the bling buttons down the front. It is so classy and so super elegant. The next shirt that I got is by House of Harlow, and it is so cute, off the shoulder, super sexy, super understated. Would be great with a pair of jeans, boots, shorts, whatever you choose to pair it with. And I absolutely love the over the hand look with the thumb cut out. I just love shirts that do that, so I was absolutely a lover of this. Next up are the Valentine's Day sweaters. I love this cardigan. I have been seeing this ad on Instagram that had one of these sweaters, but I never could find the exact sweater on Amazon. So I just went. It was $19.99. It was not on sale, but I absolutely had to have it because I'd been looking for it. The next thing that I found was this gorgeous heart sweater by Marled, and I absolutely love the pink and the red mixed together. That's one of the reasons why I love Valentine's Day. I just love combining pink and red. And speaking of pink and red, you guys, I did a Valentine's Day mini class. It was only $97, and I showed you guys how to decorate intimate spaces for Valentine's Day. A lot of people are moving to more intimate event right now in this season. And so one of my students reached out to me, and they were pairing up with the owner of some Airbnbs. So that is definitely worth the investment. Just imagine booking, all of those Airbnbs to create these beautiful intimate spaces. So yeah, it was definitely worth her investment. For only $97, you get 4 setups, you get step-by-step tutorials, a complete list of supplies, where to find them. You get a pricing list, and you get a contract, and you get 7 days of marketing materials as well, and a flyer. So you definitely want to check that out. Absolutely incredible. I will leave the link to this down below. Next up is this gorgeous red shirt they cut out. I actually bought something close to this and I returned it back to Ross because I just couldn't see myself paying that price. And I know Ross, but yeah, it was expensive for Ross, you guys. I love the shirt, but I did not love the price. So I ended up returning it, and thankfully I did, because today I found this shirt at TJ Maxx for just $12. The original price was $89, and it's by Cyrus Knits. And I absolutely love that shoulder cutout. Next up is the outfit that I found at the Ross clearance sale, you guys. OMG. I love this sweater. I love all the bling details on it. It was only $4.99. I could not believe it. And I love the jeans. The jeans were so super cute as well. And the jeans were only $6.99. So I got an entire outfit for $11, $12. I'll take it. Could not walk away from this Betsy Johnson bow purse. I thought it was so cute for the Valentine's Day season. And you guys loved my other purse so much that I wore by Betsy Johnson. It was a bow purse for Christmas, and it was gold. Well, this one is a red one. This one is actually called a wallet purse. It can only be enough to really hold your wallet and cell phone, which is fine with me. But I absolutely love it, and I think it will be a great addition for the Valentine's Day season. Last but not least, you guys, thrifting has gone absolutely insane. One of my favorite thrifters are, of course, my BFF, Alicia. She is over on Instagram at My Thrifted Runway. You guys definitely follow her and check her out. I love her style. And my second favorite thrifter is Thrift and Tell. And I absolutely love the things that she does. I love her creativity. So I definitely made a trip to the thrift store and I found this fully sequined gown. It is so amazing. And if you end up doing something formal, don't walk away from the thrift store. Like, check it out first, you guys. Because 9 times out of 10, when it comes to formal wear, you're not going to wear it again. So try saving that extra money and checking out the thrift store to find something very unique and special. And I absolutely love, love, love this. I might just do a photo shoot in it. So let me know your favorite outfit down in the comments below. And which one you would wear to work, which sweater you would wear to work. Let me know down in the comments below. And if you have any plans for Valentine's Day, do you celebrate Valentine's Day? I absolutely love it, but my husband is not a fan. So that is not one of the holidays we celebrate around here. But definitely, I still, like to be involved in the festivities. And I definitely look forward to working in a florist this Valentine's Day season. You guys pray for me. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much again for all of your continuous and unwavering support. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!